हेलो एवरीवन, आज की इस वीडियो में आप लोग को एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन फॉर क्लास 8 इंग्लिश हनी ड्यू चैप्टर नंबर 7 अ विजिट टू कैम्ब्रिज का जो एक्सरसाइज है उसको इस वीडियो में बताया जाएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। कंप्रीहेंशन चेक, पेज नंबर 104। क्वेश्चन 1 देखिए आप लोग। विच इज़ द राइट सेंटेंस। आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है, उसमें ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है। क्वेश्चन पहले पढ़ते हैं बच्चों। कैम्ब्रिज वॉज माई मेटाफर फॉर इंग्लैंड टू द राइटर। ऑप्शन आपका है कैम्ब्रिज वॉज अ रिपूटेड यूनिवर्सिटी इन द इंग्लैंड, या फिर नंबर 2 इंग्लैंड वॉज अ फेमस फॉर कैम्ब्रिज, या फिर कैम्ब्रिज वॉज द रियल इंग्लैंड। इसका आंसर चेक करते हैं कौन सा आपका सही आपका है। इसमें जो आंसर आपका है फर्स्ट का जो सेकेंड नंबर आपका है, इंग्लैंड वॉज फेमस फॉर कैम्ब्रिज, इट इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इंग्लैंड वॉज फेमस फॉर द कैम्ब्रिज। नाउ वेलकम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। द राइटर फोन्ड स्टेफन हॉकिंग्स हाउस। ऑप्शन फर्स्ट नंबर फ्रॉम द नियरेस्ट फोन बूथ, नंबर 2 फ्रॉम आउटसाइड अ फोन बूथ, नंबर 3 फ्रॉम इनसाइड अ फोन बूथ। चलो आंसर चेक करते हैं। सेकेंड का बच्चा नंबर 1 आपका है फ्रॉम द नियरेस्ट फोन बूथ। ओके, नाउ वेलकम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। एवरी टाइम ही स्पोक टू द साइंटिस्ट द राइटर फेल्ट गिल्टी बिकॉज। ऑप्शन दिया आपको। फर्स्ट नंबर ही वॉज नॉट श्योर व्हाट ही वांटेड टू आस्क, नंबर 2 पॉइंट आपका है ही फोर्स्ड द साइंटिस्ट टू यूज हिज वॉइस सिंथेसियर, थर्ड पॉइंट बच्चों का ही वॉज फेस टू फेस विथ अ लेजेंड। आंसर चेक करते हैं बच्चों। आंसर आपका है थर्ड वाले का सेकेंड नंबर, ही फोर्स द साइंटिस्ट टू यूज हिज वॉइस सिंथेसियर, इट इज द राइट आंसर। नाउ विल कम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। I felt a huge relief in the possibilities of my body in the given context. The highlighted words refer to। ऑप्शन दिया बच्चों आप लोग का शिफ्टिंग इन द व्हील चेयर, टर्निंग द रिस्ट, 1 पॉइंट। नंबर 2 है स्टैंडिंग अप वॉकिंग, थर्ड लिखा है स्पीकिंग राइटिंग। चेक द आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। फोर्थ का बच्चों फर्स्ट नंबर दिया है शिफ्टिंग इन द व्हील चेयर, टर्निंग द रिस्ट। ओके, नाउ वेलकम पेज नंबर 104 वर्किंग विद द टेस्ट। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए आप लोग। डिड द प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ द मीटिंग स्टीफन हॉकिंग मेक द राइटर नर्वस, इफ सो व्हाई। आंसर द राइटर फेल्ट नर्वस बिकॉज ही वॉज डाउटफुल whether he would be granted the interview. Okay, now will come question number 2. Did he at the same time feel very excited, if so why? Answer he felt excited at the same time because he had been there to see Professor Hawking for half an hour. Okay, now will come question number 2. Guess the first question put to the scientist by the writer. Answer the writer's first question might be about Hawking's disability and how he had accepted it. Now will come question number 3. Stephen Hawking said, I have had no choice. Does the writer think there was a choice? What was it? Answer this question. Living creatively with the reality of his weakening body was a choice. Now will come question number 4. I could feel his anguish. What could be the anguish? Answer. Professor Hawking's mind was full of great ideas, but he could not speak them out clearly and forcefully. Now will come question number 5. What endeared the scientist to the writer so that he said he was looking at one of the most beautiful men in the world? Answer Professor Hawking's one way smile. Okay, now will come question number 6. Read aloud the description of the beautiful man. Which is the most beautiful sentence in the description? Answer the line is before you like a lantern whose walls are worn so thin you glimpse only the light inside is the incandescence of a man. Now will come question number 7. First point. If the lantern is the man, what would its walls be? Answer. The walls of the lantern in Hawking's case were his skeleton-like physical structure. Okay. Now welcome question number 2. What is housed within the thin walls? Answer number 2. The glow of the eternal soul was. housed within the thin walls of his body. Now we come question number third. What general conclusion does the writer draw from his comparison? Answer this question. The writer draws conclusion that he eternal soul is more important than the body. Now look at question number 8. What is the scientist message for the disabled? Answer. Professor Hawking's message for the disabled is that they should concentrate on what they are good at. It is foolish to try to copy the normal people. Now look at question number 9. Why does the writer refer to the guitar incident? Which idea does it support? Answer. The writer spent many years trying to play a big Spanish guitar. One night, he loosened the strings joyfully. This incident supports the idea that the disabled people should practice only what they are good at. Now, question number 10. The writer expresses his great gratitude to Stephen Hawking. What is the gratitude for? Answer. The author felt much inspired after meeting with Stephen Hawking, therefore, he felt grateful to him. Now, question number 11. Complete the following sentence taking their appropriate parts from both the boxes below. There was his assistant on the line. Number 2 point है you get fed up with people asking you to be brave. And third point, there he was. And fourth point, you look at his eyes which can speak. And next point, it does not do much good to know. Option A, tapping at a little switch in his hand. Number 2 point, and I told him. Number 3rd point, that there are people. 4 point, as if you have a courage account. And next point, and they are saying something huge and urgent. Option B, trying to find the words on his computer. Number 2 point, I had come in a wheelchair from India. Third point, on which you are too lazy to draw a check. Next point, smiling with admiration to see you breathing still. And last point, it is hard to tell what. When you write this answer, you write as like this. Number 1 point, there was his assistant on the line, and I told him I had come in a wheelchair from India. And next point, you write as like this. You get fed up with people asking you to be brave, as if you have a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. And the third point, there he was tapping at a little switch in his hand, trying to find the words on his computer. And your next point, you write like this. You look at his eyes which can speak, and they are saying something huge and urgent. It is hard to tell what. And the next point, it does not do much good to know that there are people smiling with admiration to see you breathing still. Okay, you write the answer of 11. Now we come page number working with the language, page number 106. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए आप लोग. Fill in the blanks in the sentence below using the appropriate form of the words given in the following box. जो ऑप्शन आपको ऑप्शन दिया हुआ इसमें, गाइड आपका है, सक्सीड है, चेयर है, ट्रेवल है, पैल है, ड्रा है एंड टू आपका है. क्वेश्चन 1 देखिए आप लोग. Okay, I met a dash from an antique land. What do you write here? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में आपका ट्रेवलर. नंबर 2 पॉइंट, I need special dash in mathematics. I can't count the number of times I have failed in the subject. आंसर आपका है गाइडेंस. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, the guide called Stephen Hawking a worthy dash to Isaac Newton. Answer this question. Successor. Next point. His other problems dash into insignificance beside this unforeseen mishap. Answer this question. Palled. Next point. The meeting was by the youngest member of the board. Dash. What do you write here? Chaired. Okay. Next point. Some people say yours dash when they informally refer to themselves. Answer this question. Truly. Okay. And next point, last point. I wish it had been a dash. We would have been spared the noise of celebration at least. Answer drawn. Okay. Now will come question number 2. Look at the following words: walk and stick. Can you create a meaningful phrase using both these words? It is simple. Adding to the verb and use it before the noun. Put an article at the beginning of walking stick. And like this, you write. Now make 6 such phrases using the words given in the box आपका. ऑप्शन आपका है फर्स्ट वाला रीड सेशन आपका. तो व्हाट यू राइट इन द फ्रेज फॉर्म अ रीडिंग सेशन. नंबर 2 पॉइंट देखिए आप लोग लिखा है स्माइल एंड फेस है बच्चों. वी राइट इन द फ्रेज फॉर्म अ स्माइलिंग फेस. थर्ड पॉइंट रिवॉल्व चेयर. व्हाट इज द फ्रेज फॉर्म अ रिवॉल्विंग चेयर. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लुक हियर walk tour. What do you write in the phrase form? Walking tour. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखिए आप लोग लिखा बच्चों में डांस डॉल. when you write in the phrase form you write as like this a dancing doll. Okay. The last point of this phrase form question is win chance. when you write in the phrase form you write as like this a winning chance. Now will come question number 3. use all आर बोथ. बच्चों इसमें आल और बोथ ऑप्शन दिया है इन द ब्लैंक्स. टेल योर पार्टनर वाई यू चोज वन आर अदर. क्वेश्चन दिया बच्चों इसमें. लुक हियर. ही हैज 2 brothers. He has 2 brothers dash are liars. So what you write here? Both are liars. Okay. Number 2 point. More than 10% called dash of them wanted to see you. All of them. Okay. You feel as like this. All of them. Third point. They dash cheered the team. They both. They all. Here feel they all. Okay. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आपका है बच्चों यहाँ पर द डैश हर पेरेंट्स आर टीचर्स. both her parents are teachers. Okay. BOTH both. Next point. How much have you got? Give me of it dash. What is give me all? Okay. You fill all. Now will come question number 4. Complete each sentence using the right form of the adjective given in the bracket. Okay. Look here. क्वेश्चन बच्चों कि माई फ्रेंड हैज़ वन ऑफ द कार्स ऑन द रोड फास्ट. आपका है तो फास्ट का जब एडजेक्टिव में फॉर्म करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे फास्टेस्ट. ओके. नाउ वेलकम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. दिस इज द डैश स्टोरी आई हैव एवर रीड. ऑप्शन दिया बच्चों इंटरेस्टिंग. व्हाट यू राइट दिस इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग. थर्ड पॉइंट देखिए आप लोग. व्हाट यू आर डूइंग नाउ इज डैश देन व्हाट यू डिड यस्टरडे. ऑप्शन दिया बच्चों इसमें ईजी. ओके. व्हाट यू फील हियर ईजी पढ़ेंगे ईजियर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखिए आप लोग. रमेश एंड हिज वाइफ आर बोथ डैश. ऑप्शन दिया बच्चों इसमें शॉर्ट. तो क्या फिल करेंगे शॉर्ट वाले में तो शॉर्ट का शॉर्ट ही फिल किया जाएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखिए आप लोग. ही अराइव डैश एज यूजल इवन द चीफ गेस्ट केम डैश देन ही डिड. इसमें ऑप्शन दिया लेट है और अर्ली. तो फर्स्ट वाले में लेट भरेंगे और अर्लियर भरेंगे आपका. दिस इज द राइट आंसर.